Oh, you guys are already here. I was just thinking about the great women in our world and what the great things they have done. And isn't today Women's Day? So let us have a discussion about Women's Day. So Women's Day is celebrated every year on March 8th and it's celebrated all over the world. And today I would like to tell you about some people who I really admire and inspire about and the great things they have done and helped and who I could really look up to and learn some things from them. The first person who I would like to talk about is Swati Mohan, and like you guys heard about her just a few days ago. She is an Indian American aerospace engineer and she landed the NASA Perseverance rover on Mars. And when she was only 1 year old, she came to USA and she learned later on. She did her PhD and her engineering, and then she went into NASA. And when I heard about this news, I felt very inspired that how she took the responsibility of landing the rover on Mars, and how much courage she might have had when doing this big thing, and how we can also learn from her that even though she was a woman and she went into this big NASA and she took the responsibility that yes, I can land the rover on Mars. So it makes me feel very inspired that how she did this great work, she took the responsibility. So I would also like to learn from her and how much courage she had. And same way, I would also like to have that bravery and courage in my life, that whatever step I do, I should not be scared of it. I should believe in myself and think that yes, I can do this. The next person is Amanda Gorman, and she was in Biden's inauguration day. She said a very lovely poem, and the most interesting thing about her is that she's only 22 years old, and she got this great opportunity to talk in such a large audience. And she said this poem, which was actually about 3 people who I think they picked from the country, and they have done so much hard work, the 3 people, and she had to make a poem about them. And she is a poem and an activist, and she after she said the poem, lot of people got inspired, and she has so much, like she did so good. She had so much body language, she had a lot of courage to walk up on the stage and actually say the speech. You need a lot of courage for that also. So Amanda Gorman, she did a lot, and I was learning this in my school. Actually, the latest video I uploaded about the vision board, I talked about her also in that. So if you guys didn't watch that video, you can. So these are some people who I really admire, who I had. Even Kamala Harris moved on in their life, and they did so many great things. And we should respect those kind of women, how much responsibility they took for the world, and we should learn from them. And we should also say that yes, I can make a difference in this world. So with this, I would like to end my video here, and it was about Women's Day and the great women. There are so many women, and we should learn and be proud of them. So happy Women's Day to all my subscribers, and I wish you guys a very happy Women's Day. Say happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
Joe.
Happy Women's Day.
Bye.